Hi, this is the 3D printing lawyer. Today I have an update for you on the story of Calvin Yu's death. It started in 2020 with a home engulfed in flames. Calvin Yu was a Marine Corps veteran whose life was tragically cut short. Yu's death in the 2020 fire, allegedly sparked by a Tronxy 3D printer purchased on AliExpress, ignited a fierce legal battle. His parents are demanding answers, taking on defendants Tronxy and AliExpress in a complex courtroom showdown that started almost 3 years ago. But this isn't just about grief and accountability. This fight against Titan AliExpress is a fight for fairness in a system where international corporations wield immense power. Did a faulty 3D printer cause this tragedy, or is there more to the story? The lawsuit, filed in California State Court, quickly escalated when AliExpress moved it to federal court, a move permissible when dealing with foreign defendants. This legal chess move, a common tactic to level the playing field, underscores the complexities of international litigation. Now, almost 3 years into the legal battle, AliExpress is demanding access to the deceased's medical records and browsing history, claiming it could reveal crucial details about the fire. But is this a legitimate pursuit of truth, or a disturbing invasion of privacy? The company alleges drug use, risky behavior, and even dangerous modifications to the printer. AliExpress claims they need this information to understand what really happened that night. Specifically, AliExpress argues that Calvin Yu's medical records are vital because he tested positive for benzodiazepines at the hospital and was found in possession of marijuana. They contend that these substances could have impaired his judgment and ability to escape the fire. They are also seeking 5 years of medical records for the plaintiffs, his parents, citing the need to investigate potential pre-existing conditions related to their claimed injuries. Furthermore, AliExpress is demanding Yu's complete internet browsing history. Why? To determine what he knew about the printer's operation, whether he searched for modifications, downloaded software updates, or even attempted to jailbreak the device, potentially overriding safety features. They even go so far as to claim that Yu's browsing history could reveal unsafe electrical engineering experiments being conducted in his home. This allegation is based on the claim that the decedent, an electrical engineering student, had an apartment littered with electrical components. The court has acknowledged the lack of privacy rights for the deceased, essentially leaving the door open to the release of this highly personal information. However, it's directing both sides to attempt to work out a protective order. This is a crucial point. Personally, I believe that during alternative dispute resolution, access to these documents, under a protective order, could have facilitated a faster resolution. If there was nothing to hide, it may have encouraged a settlement. Shenzhen Tronxy just defaulted for failing to answer the third amended complaint. However, the discovery dispute has now stopped progress, and the next steps are unclear. And the stakes couldn't be higher. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Please like this video. Thank you for subscribing. Have a good day.